Okay, so this is just a quick YouTube video showing what is available for sale, just so that it saves you a trip out to the property. This is a large bush. I'm not exactly sure what type, but it's got a greenish yellow color to it. And then there's a beautiful rhododendron, I believe, that's got some blood red flowers, which are beautiful. And I'm not sure what this is beside it. It has, the leaves are kind of a yellowish orange tone. But you can see that the scale and the size of it next to the house. This, I'm not sure what this is, but it's got some nice white flowers that are blooming. And it's currently May 7th, so it gives you an idea of the season. So these were the blue juniper bushes. Now, they're not as blue now. I take it it's just a seasonality thing. They do have a touch of blue in them at the moment, but they're turning more green for the spring. But this is a nice large one, and this is a smaller one next to it, and those are still available as well. And that bush in the corner I'm actually keeping. I'm not sure what this is. Doesn't look like there's any flower buds on it at the moment, but shrub of some type. And then we'll walk over here, and these are all the cedar trees that are available. So they range from, at the left here, that's it's got to be about 14 feet, and then the taller ones beside it, just right there and there, are probably about 11 or so. So they range from about 8 to 14. The smaller ones here are only about 5-6 feet tall. And number-wise, you'd have to see the posting. But looks like we've got 3, 9, probably about 30, 35. So over here, this is a beautiful evergreen tree. It doesn't look so green at the moment, though. It's actually almost a fluorescent yellow. It's so bright. And beautiful tree. And this was much more green when I had last taken photos in the spring. And this tree above, I can't say what type of tree it is. If you're an arborist or a gardener, you would probably know. But the flowers are a whitish pink bloom, or has a whitish pink bloom. So I'm just going to zoom back out, and if we come around here, so all of these things are available just as a package. I'm not sure what this strangly like bush is, just with some green leaves on it. And this is an evergreen bush, more of a, not sure if that's a pine bush, but it's available as well. And maybe we could use a watering. And then this is, I'm not sure what this is. This may even be the same tree as is shown at the front of the house, beside the rhododendron with the red flowers. So this tree here is, I mean, it has to be 25 feet tall, so I'm not sure how portable it is. And then there's another tree over here that looks like lavender, although I could be wrong. I don't think it is actually, now that I look at it, because it's more of a pinkish violet than a purple, and I think lavender is a bush rather than a tree or shrub. But that's available as well. So I'll just try to poke through here so you can get a better idea of the size of it. So that's about 13 feet tall, 14 feet. And just a little baby pine tree sprouting up here that's available. And as we walk down here, there is a holly tree that is kind of sprouting between the cedars, and that's about 4 feet. I had photos of that. So we'll walk down just to the side of the house, and the last two plants are, is it a euonymus? I can't remember the name. I believe it's a euonymus. But a nice plant. You can see some kind of lime green leaves are blooming through. And there's another, I think they're both euonymus. One just looks like it's a little farther along or blooming earlier. And then this same type of bush, which is, it's actually lavender beside it, which is available, but I'm not sure what the bush is. I think similar to the one at the front of the house. And that is what is available.